What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. Today I've got my hands on the Kin Play Mini by Totem. Now these are premium wireless bookshelf speakers with the same features as the award-winning Totem Kin Play, but in a much smaller compact form, which means you can place them more or less anywhere you like. Now the Totem Mini Play does support Bluetooth with a Qualcomm chip supporting aptX HD, and they are priced around $850. So without any further ado, so inside the box you will find a user manual, a power adapter, a small box of accessories, and I'll show you what's inside, a 3.5 to 3.5 audio cable, optical cable. Now this long cable is to actually connect both speakers up with each other, and you're also getting a remote control. Now what's special about this remote control is it's made completely from metal, finished in black, feels very nice and slim in the hands, and you've got a whole bunch of functions on there, from bass, treble, volume. You can change the sources, play, pause, skip tracks, and this remote is powered by a CR2025 battery which is already installed and ready to go. And last but certainly not least, the speakers themselves. So let's take off that wrapping and see what these look like. Wow, check these out people. So here they are, absolutely beautiful looking speakers. Now the speakers themselves appear to be made from a very strong plastic-like material. Now on the front we do have removable speaker grills, and they have magnets on them, and they are quite easy to remove and replace. And on the front of the main speaker we do have a volume control knob and an LED power indicator. Now each speaker has a 4-inch natural hybrid woofer and a 1-inch metal alloy dome tweeter. You can expect a maximum RMS of 70 watts per speaker. Furthermore, let's talk about dimensions. Each speaker is 27 centimeters in height, 16 centimeters in width, and 19 centimeters in depth, and they weigh 4.8 kgs each. Now a quick look at the back of the speakers. So first of all, the main speaker, you can see a comprehensive set of connectors available to you, which include your RCA connection. You've got a 3.5mm jack. Now you've got a subwoofer out, so you can connect a subwoofer to this, and it's ideal to pick up the Totem Kin sub, and I will link that in the description box below. Now you do have optical in, your right speaker output, power socket, and a physical power button. And if we quickly look at the other speaker, you simply have your left speaker connector outputs. So along with all of these connection options, you also have Bluetooth 4.1 for your wireless music playback. So now I'm going to get these speakers all set up and connected together, and we are going to check out the sounds. I'll be right back.
James Bond, License to Kill, Hysteria.
I've lived a lot of lives, but I'm done running from my past. Is that a Glock in your pocket?
No,
What?
it's 2 Glocks.
It has a gunner seat?
First place!
guys. He's got to do something to get back in this thing. Oof, kick finds it. What a stomp. Good grief. Oh, right to the kidneys. Golly. He's starting to show signs of fatigue. He's still got plenty of gas.
So there you have it, guys. That was the Kin Play Mini by Totem. And with over 30 years of experience, Totem's primary vision has always been about great quality sound and music. Now these speakers are premium in build and sound quality. In fact, the sound quality is quite superior for the price. There is a 60 to 70 hour break-in, and thereafter the speakers really do come alive. Now, if you're someone who's looking for a compact loudspeaker system which offers enough versatility to play great quality sound from more or less any source, be it from watching TV, watching movies, game consoles, or even a mobile device, then the Kin Play Mini by Totem is certainly the one to consider. And after testing the system out for a few weeks, I do have to say, the more I listen, the better they sound. So I can surely say the Kin Play Mini is one of my favorite bookshelf speakers of 2019, and it looks like they've found a new home on my desk for the time being. And with that being said, I will leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.